need to get the. Okay. Hold on. So this is just straight fried. Hold on, wait. Okay, I put that part off. I love pickles, so come on. Oh, she wants to have it. So I love the fries. Down. The burger, you see, I only left one burger. Me, knowing me, my big self will finish 2 of these. And you see, I still have meat on burger. This, don't bring this back no more. I like pickles, but this is too sugary for me. You see, I left it. I love pickles, but this is too sugary. I'm not with no sugary stuff. I'm not trying to have diabetes. Keep that. But this, I might leave this with my boyfriend. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this with my boyfriend because this just pissed me off. And I can't eat fried food like that. And like, they fried it too much. They fried this too much. So I really give this a 5. This a 0. This I'm gonna give it, yeah, I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 because this is not checker fries. I like checker fries, but it's cool, whatever. The sauce, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. If you want to try it. That's on you. But this, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey, no Sam. It got the honey in it, everything, but